Hello and welcome to your channel name. Today, we're diving into the world of physics to explore something that governs almost every movement around us. Newton's laws of motion. Let's break it down, step by step, with examples you'll never forget. First up is Newton's first law, also called the law of inertia. It says, a body at rest stays at rest, and a body in motion stays in motion unless acted upon by an external force. Basically, objects don't like change. Imagine a parked car. It won't move unless you push it, right? That's inertia. Similarly, if you're driving fast and hit the brakes, you feel your body lurch forward. That's inertia in action again. Next is the second law, which gives us the formula force equals mass times acceleration, F equals sine ma. What does this mean? Let's say you kick a small ball and then a heavier football with the same force. The smaller ball moves faster because it has less mass. The more mass something has, the harder you'll need to push to make it move or accelerate. Finally, we have Newton's third law. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. Think about a rocket launching. The engines push gases downward and the rocket moves upward. Or imagine jumping off a boat. You push the boat backward and you move forward. It's all about balancing forces. So, to recap, the first law tells us objects resist change. The second law connects force, mass, and acceleration. The third law reminds us that every action has a reaction. Now you see Newton's genius everywhere, from driving cars to launching rockets. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about Newton's laws, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your channel name. And remember, science is everywhere. Just keep exploring. See you next time.